Hey there, the purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the best online grant writing education available. There's a lot online, and we hope that this review kind of gives you a better insight as far as where to go from where you're currently at in your grant writing journey. So you know you're interested in grant writing. That's amazing. Congrats. We're so excited for you and happy that you stumbled across this wonderful field of work. But where do you go from here? What courses do you take? What's most relevant and practical for you? Those are all great questions. And in this video, I'm going to kind of break down different courses that are available and would be relevant to you depending on what your ultimate goal is. Are you interested in just getting your feet wet and checking out some of the free grant writing courses? Are you interested in building a career as a grant writer, operating your own consulting business? Are you interested in nonprofit focused courses? And lastly, are you interested in federal focused courses? So we have also a blog post covering this exact same topic, and it has even more details and even more course comparisons that you can check out. So that blog post is linked in the description below, so I would encourage you to definitely check that out for more information if you're still curious at the end of this video. So interest number one, you are looking for a free grant writing class, free grant writing training. The first one that is on our list is our course that we teach. Linked below again, Learn Grant Writing offers a free grant writing course. The course is broken up into 4 different modules, and it allows you to just kind of get your feet wet with grant writing, covering all the different aspects from start to finish. We cover the top 3 mistakes that people make when they get started with grant writing, or where they might get stuck. We talk about how to get paid through grant writing, and we also cover strategy for pulling off a career transition. So kind of following that broad overview, we then have 7 different steps that we walk you through. This is our tried and true method for how to write a successful grant. And we're talking about preparing for success, how to host a kickoff meeting, how to develop your budget, how to prepare key attachments, how to write your narrative, how to write your narrative persuasively, and then how to submit your application. And along the way, we have a few different free templates that we'll offer to you as well, and that will be super helpful as you're, kind of working through grant application narratives. This is a free resource that's best for those interested in grant writing, just want to get their feet wet, not sure that they want to invest a lot of money or time quite yet. So definitely check that out if you're interested in those things, or if that is a good description of where you're at right now. The second course on our list is offered through Coursera, and Coursera is home to an intermediate level grant writing course created by Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. So there is a fee for this course if you want the graded assignments and if you want to earn a course certificate, but you can audit all of the course material for free as well. This is a 4-module course, and it covers how to develop a strong application, essentially. You will learn how to put your ideas into words, arrange a clear and concise argument or narrative, and it'll also cover how to search the grant market for potential funders. Lastly, it covers how to respond to negative feedback from funders, and how to resubmit your proposal after receiving feedback from funders. So this course, this option is best for folks who want to learn more about the nitty-gritty, kind of the more technical side of grant writing for your current role. Again, this is free, so check that out if you're interested. Every resource I mentioned should be linked below, or you can always check out that blog post that I mentioned, which has absolutely everything linked as well. Our third recommendation would be through Peak Proposals. They have a course, an online free course that is titled Getting Started, the basics of finding and applying for grants. This course consists of 3 modules with 17 total lessons. This is self-paced and offers students instruction on the process of writing a proposal, how to find potential funders, and teaches the process to actually submit a proposal. So this is a good place for you to start if you're interested in grant writing, you want a free, resource, but you're not interested in reading hordes of blog posts. So Peak Proposals, that's what that course is. Other free resources that I'll just briefly mention on our website, we have free how-to training videos under our grant writing tab if you check out our website. There is an advanced writing seminar through the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and also nonprofitready.org has a bunch of grant writing resources that might be useful to you. Lastly, an almost free resource is Udemy, and they offer dozens of courses with covering different aspects of grant writing, so you can go there and kind of browse around and check out what might be most interesting or relevant for you as well. So interest number 2, you want to build a career as a grant writer. First recommendation is the Grant Writing Unicorn Collective by Learn Grant Writing, which is us. So this is a year-long membership that includes instructional videos, community, and coaching to teach you a step-by-step system for building a flexible career in grant writing. So in addition to all that, you also have access to community and membership, and live trainings offered twice a month. So we have our collective structured into 7 different modules. The first one is preparation, and this will give you all sorts of freebies and templates that will be super helpful in your journey. Phase 2 is all about finding grants. We teach you our tried and true method for researching grants. Phase 3 is writing grants, getting into the nitty-gritty of what it looks like to actually write a grant. After phase 3 and a little bit of homework, you'll receive your certificate, and with your grant writing certificate and real-world experience, you are officially ready to start getting clients and interview well for high-paying jobs that are interesting to you. If you enjoyed the freelancing, we show you how to work for yourself and build a vibrant grant writing consulting business in the final few modules. Phase 4 is making your first $15,000. Phase 5 covers how to land a new job or scale your business to $50,000. This is all about how to pull off your career change. Phase 6 is growing to $100,000 per year in your business. And Phase 7 covers how to continue to scale your business and your life to make it exactly what you want to fit your ideal kind of dream lifestyle. Membership cost is $250 a month, or a one-time annual fee of $2,500 per year. If you pay the annual fee, that allows you 2 months free. And again, we've talked about this in other videos, but we teach you how to pay for this cost in just a few grant writing projects because we want you to be profitable and successful as well. So this collective was created for those looking for a career change that are interested in freelance grant writing or landing a new job with the benefits of a vibrant community and steadfast peer support. So we'd love to have you if you're at all interested in that. Our second recommendation is Grant Writing and Funding by Holly Rustick. This organization, founded by Holly, offers a few different grant writing courses, including a grant writing master course and a freelance grant writing master course. In about 39 videos, the grant writing master course covers the basics of grants, like how to find them, identifying needs and problems, developing a proposal, and building a budget. It's self-paced, and you can purchase the course for $697 or in 6 payments at $129 each. The freelance grant writing master course, on the other hand, is for folks who want to start a grant writing business, but they don't have clients or they don't know how to get started. These individuals are looking to build a business that keeps them busy and helps them make a decent amount of money. The cost of this course is $997, or you can pay in 6 installments of about $184. The course is split into 8 modules, and in addition to that, there's also downloadable checklists and templates. There's a members-only Facebook group, and you also receive a freelance grant writing certificate as well. Notre Dame is our third recommendation. They have a program called Effective Grant Writing proposal writing. This is available for a cost of about $2,000. This course is not specific to building a freelance business, but we know a lot of people do consider it this as they're thinking about their grant writing career, so we wanted to include it as well. And this course is best suited for students who want to master all phases of the grant writing process. So different lessons would include, critical actions to take after you submit your proposal, proven methods for developing and creating a successful grant proposal, and talking about why budgets and timelines can either make or break your grant proposal. So check that out if you're interested in looking at and mastering all the phases of grant writing. Interest number 3, you are looking for a nonprofit focused course. Our first recommendation is Grant Writing Made Easy by Dr. Krista Kurlunkis. So Dr. Krista Kurlunkis teaches this course. The online course is divided up into 6 different modules. So, and it walks you through from start to finish what the grant writing process looks like, so that at the end of the program, at the end of the course, you have a final completed grant proposal. Other features of this self-paced program include 11 core instructional videos and over 300 checklists, workbook, templates, and cheat sheets that you can take with you. And there's also some peer review as well, peer review exercises. Students can pay a one-time fee of about $500 for membership, for a lifetime membership, or one-time fee of $300 plus $20 a month in addition to that. So again, this is a program that's best for nonprofit leaders, grant writers, or grant writing consultants. So if you're already in the field of grant writing and you're working with nonprofit or for nonprofit, this program might be a good choice for you. Our second recommendation in this interest area is Ed2Go. So Ed2Go offers a variety of courses on grant writing, from overview classes for beginners to getting into more nitty-gritty, sort of technical, advanced information and coursework for those who are more advanced in their grant writing career. Classes will vary in hourly requirements and cost, but for most of the 6-week, 24 course hour classes, the cost hovers right around $150. Again, this course is, these courses are more geared towards nonprofit professionals already involved in grant writing. Our third recommendation is for you to check out University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee's Introduction to Grant Writing course. So this course is $150. It covers fundraising strategies along with exploring 6 identified stages of grant writing. So some of these stages look like relationship cultivation, researching grant makers, the grant writing process, and what does appropriate follow-up look like after receiving or not receiving a grant award. So this course is designed for those who are looking for a basic understanding of, kind of nonprofit management more, and, what does it look like, as far as grant writing within your nonprofit organization too. Lastly, Holly Rustick has a few different courses available. 2 specifically that would be more geared towards nonprofit professionals. And these are the Nonprofit Startup Academy and the Nonprofit Strategic Planning Master Course. Interest number 4 is that you're looking for a federal focused program. First recommendation is D.H. Leonard Consulting and Grant Writing Services, LLC. Through this organization is a course, really it's called Federal Grant Writing Boot Camp. So this is the Federal Grant Writing Training webcast. It's spread out over 4 half days, and it covers how to apply and secure federal grants successfully. So this webcast is taught by Diane Leonard in conjunction with my Fed trainer. So there's early bird pricing and then there's regular pricing. The early bird pricing for this course is usually $400 or so, and the last minute is closer to $800 as long as tickets last. And this course, this bootcamp course, is offered numerous times throughout the year, so you can just go on their website and kind of sign up to see when the next course is going to be available. D.H. Leonard Consulting and Grant Writing Services also offers smaller federal grant writing training courses throughout the year. Most of these courses cost right around $90. You can also catch the webinar replays, which the most popular ones would include Federal Grants 101 and Federal Grants 201. and these are going to be right around $50-$60. So again, this resource is best for individuals who want to improve their federal grant writing and grant searching skills through visual instruction by watching webinars or webcasts. Our second recommendation is Grant Professionals Association Next Level Grant Training. So Next Level Grant Training is a live online training, and it helps folks advance their grant careers. So topics in 2021, for example, included federal grants, research prospecting, best practices for reporting after you win that grant and kind of carry out that award, and more. And so features of this specific program would include one monthly class for 12 months, 1 hour sessions including Q&A, online archived course content so you can always refer back to that content later, and a constant cohort of participants so you have community as well. One really large benefit to this program is that participants can earn up to 12 continuing education credits. So this whole series is priced at $200 for members or $250 for non-members for the entire offering. So these sessions are best for those looking to, kind of learn the ins and outs ethically of grant writing, those seeking to earn continuing education credits, and probably for those that are already in established grant careers at this point. Our third recommendation is to just kind of explore the wide array of university programs that are available. So University of Georgia has programs for, that are more federal focused. University of South Carolina, Arizona State University, University of Colorado at Colorado Springs. The cost of these programs ranges greatly from $160 to about $1,300. So I would encourage you to just check out the blog post on this topic, again linked below, and that'll give you a good overview of what each university has to offer for federal grant writing training courses. So basically there is an entire internet of opportunity for you to learn how to be a better grant writer and to learn more about grant writing. Hopefully this video kind of provided you a decent overview of what you might be looking for and where you might best fit with a certain program. We want you to be successful in whatever your goal might be, whether that is you just want to get your feet wet, you're looking for a free program, you want to start a freelance grant writing business, become a freelance grant writer or a grant writing consultant, or you're already at a nonprofit, so you're interested in how you can help your nonprofit further, or you are looking for federal focused courses. Again, I would encourage you to just check out the blog post that I mentioned for more course comparison and details and all those links that I mentioned. That's going to be a pretty great starting point for you as you're thinking about what your next step should be. So go forth, go learn. We're always here for you.